In this segment of the lecture 4, we are going to look at 4 imperatives of a good research problem. We are going to look at the 4 imperatives of a good research problem as it covers your project, thesis, or dissertation title. Like I said, in a school system where you have graduate and undergraduate students, the undergraduates do a research work which we call project, while master students do a research work which we describe as thesis, while the PhD students do a research work which we call dissertation. And for you to choose any of them, whatever you choose you want to work off is known as title. That's why I say in the title, you need to know the 4 imperatives of a good researchable title. The 2 mandatory types of variables have been discussed before, which I called independent and dependent variables. So in any title you want to choose, either for your project, for your thesis, or for your dissertation, please ensure that these 2 important mandatory types of variables are present. What are they? I say again, independent and dependent variables. This is the first one. Like I remember I said 4 imperatives. The first is the 2 mandatory types of variables. The second is an association between the variables. I said the second is an association between the variables. So when you make a sentence and the first aspect of it contains the independent variable and the dependent variable, this dependent variable should be connected by something. Whatever that joins the independent and dependent variable is what we describe as an association between the variables. So if you are forming a title and you want the title to be unquestionable, you want it to be good, you want it to be approved by a supervisor on the committee, please remember these things I've talked about, the 4 imperatives, of which number 1 I said is it must contain independent and dependent variables. It's 2 mandatory variables. The second one is that between the 2 variables, there must be an association between the variables. The third point, or the third imperative, is that there must be subject of the research. Yes, if you have a title that does not indicate whom you are going to work or where you are going to concentrate, then that title is not good enough. The title should be able to let us know, are you working on students? Are you working on teachers? Are you working on schools? Are you working on educational zones? Are you working on objects, events, or whatever? That will be the subject. So the subject must be also reflected there. The fourth but not the last is location or research area. Yes, when you have a title, I want to find out whether your title is good enough. You have to consider this one thing. Location is that where is this work you are carrying out? Should it be resided? Where should it be? Where is it located? So location, are you working in secondary school? Are you working in tertiary school? Are you working in a basic school or in a place outside the institution you're working? Where is this institution located? Are you working in Abia State? Are you working in Anambra State? Are you working in Niger State? Are you working in Nigeria? Are you working in Ghana? Are you working where? Where and where? You have to indicate this. The title of a project, thesis, or dissertation depicts the purpose of the research, which must pose a problem. Thank you very much.